Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Blackbox AI Image to code. So right here, as you can see, I'm already in Blackbox AI. I'm just logged in to my Google account. And then right here, I'm just going to click on upload here, upload files from local. And then I will upload the image that I want to code. As you can see here, click images, click files. And as you can see, this is the one I want to code or copy. And I click on close there. So I'm just gonna type in generate me an HTML CSS code for this kind of login page. Now click on enter here. So start choose action. So chat with image, start an interactive chat session about this image, ask questions, get description, analyze its contents, or use this image as a starting point to build a fully functional application with the AI app builder. So I'm just gonna click on continue with image to app. And then we wait for that, and as you can see, it's generating a code. I'm just gonna come back when it's finished, and as you can see right here, it is already done. It is very similar to this one. So if you want to get the code for this, as you can see, it actually works for me. And if you want to see the code, all you need to do is go here to this code here, and you can see the code right here. And that is it. That is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.